get confused, everybody. This is the Democratic Republic of the Congo, formerly known as Zaire. Starting off the letter D today on Worldly Treats with no meats. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is a rather large country located in south-central Africa. It is the largest African country after Algeria, occupying 2.3 million square kilometers and bordering 9 other countries. Originally inhabited by the Bantu peoples, the land was discovered and colonized by Belgium, becoming the Congo Free State. Later fully annexed by Belgium into Belgium Congo, the land was known for its rubber production. It was not until 1960 that the land received independence. Initially they had the exact same name as the Republic of the Congo. 5 years later, its name was changed to Zaire. Unfortunately, this is where the corruption and civil wars began, eventually leading to the First and Second Congo Wars. Today, now known as the Democratic Republic of the Congo, it is a French-speaking nation of nearly 80,000 people. The capital is Kinshasa, located directly across the river from other Congo's capital city. Rich in natural resources and dominated by the Congo rainforest, the country can arguably be seen as the heart of Africa. Mining is a major export of the nation. Sadly, the nation is suffering corruption and conflict and political instability, which is causing problems for the nation's wide variety of flora and fauna, such as great apes and okapis. For this you will need 1 cup of dried cowpeas or kidney beans or similar, 1 cup of corn, fresh off the cob, canned, frozen, or dried, 1/4 cup of any oil, cayenne pepper to taste, black pepper, and salt. If using dried beans, cleanse and soak in water for a few hours or overnight as needed. Rinse and drain. Cook beans in water in a large pot until nearly tender, about an hour. Add the corn and other ingredients. Cook until beans and maize begin to disintegrate and form a paste. Season to taste. Really good contrast between the soft beans and the corn. Yeah, pretty good. A bite from the cayenne. Good hearty winter meal.